Welcome to Cindy's Artistic World, where today it's all about white lasagna. Yep, making it different.
Every year for as long as I can remember, I've eaten lasagna for my birthday dinner. But now I cannot eat nightshade veggies, and that most definitely includes tomato sauce. Are you frickin' kidding me? Well, my birthday came, and it went, but oh, I wanted, so I made spaghetti. Just a little Tom sauce. Yep, I suffered for 3 days, but I still wanted my birthday dinner.
Since I can't eat tomato sauce, I am going to make a white lasagna that I used to make. You can see this is spinach. Got my ricotta, which has lots of basil in it. Mozzarella, parmesan, water boiling, fettuccine sauce, sausage and hamburger, Italian sausage and hamburger.
So in with the spinach, half the mushrooms, which was a whole package, and another package over here into the fettuccine sauce.
Yum yum. It's a good thing this is so low fat. This is going to be terribly good. Terribly good. No matter how good it is for us. Oh my gosh, look at this. And you noodles are cooking. Woohoo! My masterpiece. Look at that! Now it's just got to taste good.
It was good, and the craving was met. And I gave some to Lori, I gave some to Jerry, I gave some to Karen. I sent some home with Pat because she was already here for dinner. And I'm happy.